Goal.
Goal.
He scored a goal in the first half. Offside.
Offside.
The striker was caught offside. Penalty.
Penalty.
He was given a penalty after the foul inside the box. Corner kick.
Corner kick.
The team earned a corner kick after the ball went out. Free kick.
Free kick.
He took a free kick after the foul. Yellow card.
Yellow card.
The referee showed him a yellow card for the foul. Red card.
Red card.
The player received a red card for a serious foul. Pass.
Pass.
He made a perfect pass to his teammate. Dribble.
Dribble.
He dribbled past two defenders. Shoot.
Shoot.
He tried to shoot the ball into the top corner. Header.
Header.
He scored the winning goal with a header. Tackle.
Tackle.
He made a clean tackle to win the ball. Foul.
Foul.
The referee called a foul on the defender. Save.
Save.
The goalkeeper made an incredible save. Kickoff.
Kickoff.
The match started with a kickoff. Substitute.
Substitute.
The coach made a substitute at halftime. Throw in.
Throw in.
The ball went out, and it's a throw-in for the home team. Formation.
Formation.
The team played in a 4-4-2 formation. Halftime.
Halftime.
The score was 1-1 at halftime. Full time.
Full time.
The game ended 2-1 at full time. Kick.
Kick.
He kicked the ball with full force. Goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper.
The goalkeeper made several good saves. Defender.
Defender.
The defender blocked the shot. Midfielder.
Midfielder.
The midfielder controlled the pace of the game. Striker.
Striker.
The striker missed a great opportunity to score. Referee.
Referee.
The referee awarded a penalty kick. Extra time.
Extra time.
The match went into extra time after a 1-1 draw. Penalty shootout.
Penalty shootout.
The game was decided by a penalty shootout. Captain.
Captain.
The captain gave an inspiring speech before the match. Pitch.
Pitch.
The pitch was wet and slippery after the rain. Whistle.
Whistle.
The referee blew the whistle to start the game. Touchline.
Touchline.
He ran down the touchline before crossing the ball. Own goal.
Own goal.
The defender accidentally scored an own goal. Booking.
Booking.
The player received a booking for dissent. Handball.
Handball.
The referee called a handball when the ball hit the player's arm.